First thing we're gonna have to do here is super simple. Let's go new item right over here. We can also click this icon, new item, and then select here adjustment layer. And then here I'm gonna click on OK, drag and drop this adjustment layer onto your video and then expand. Now we're gonna have to go here to effects, search for offset, and drag and drop this effect onto your adjustment layer. Then we're gonna have to look for Gaussian blur. Drag and drop this onto your adjustment layer. Perfect, you're doing great.
Okay, so let's just move the playhead right over here when the scene will actually change. And we're gonna just move 6 frames. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm gonna add a keyframe right over here for shift center 2. Then I'm gonna also add a keyframe for blurriness. I'm gonna move in the middle right now, right here when the scene will change. And here I'm gonna add another keyframe, and then I'm just gonna move again 5, 6, and I'm gonna add another keyframe here for shift and also for blurriness. Now I'm gonna select this keyframe so I can shift the frame. And I'm gonna go right here in the middle, select this keyframe, and I'm gonna increase the blurriness to about 200. So what's gonna happen right now, because I have horizontal transition, wipe transition, I'm gonna select here horizontal. And if you have vertical, you can select here vertical. And then for this to look better, we can highlight all our keyframes, right click and select here Bezier, and then expand here, expand like this as well, and just create this kind of movement. So we have slow and then fast. So this is what we have now here. Sorry. So this is what we have now here. Okay,